Oh, Ziggy. Hello. I'm back. Hi. How are you? It's the crazy crystal lady. Yeah, I'm back. Did you miss me? You did? What did you do today? Oh, not much. Oh, slept. Were you very zen? Yeah? Very zen, I feel, weren't you? Yeah. Hi. Oh, all right then. You're off now. Now that I'm back. Now that I'm back, you're off. Say bye, everybody. Bye. I'm off on a crystal hunt. Oh, you want this one? Oh, careful with those. They have little bits that come off. We don't really want that on you, do we? Yeah, we don't really want selenite crystal shards. Not really. Yes. Who's a good boy? Yes, you are. Who's a good boy? Yeah. Good boy.